out that in fact it is this fullerene, so a buckyball made up of 60 carbon atoms which are reversed, so you have your fullerene, then you cut open the fullerene at some point.
So we need chemistry to be able to have clean fuels to be used for transportation. This is really important. And the catalyst go again, close the cycle, and then we can run that cycle many times. So we can do that transformation cleanly.
We have three different. This is the old machine which was on the picture. This is the newer machine which was we bought this in 2008.
We are from the Einstein Gymnasium in Breda Wiedenbrück in Westphalia, and we have some students from the University of Bielefeld. For example, here are 5 students from the University of Bielefeld, and the rest they are students from high school from our school Einstein Gymnasium.
The biomimetic catalysis is trying to get inspired by nature and to learn what nature does and try to mimic nature to be able to perform better and more efficient transformations to have an impact in chemistry and in the end impact in society.
Fullerenes are really important molecules which have been discovered in 1985, and they are really versatile compounds which are very complex, and they are very have different kinds of functions. They can be functionalized, they have different functions in biomedicine, in technology and in MRI scans, and their reactivity is really important to understand, and for this we have been studying them with computational chemistry.
Hi, I'm Kevin and I'm from the high school
Start again.
Hi, I'm Kevin from the high school Einstein Gymnasium from Germany, and we have a great day on the University of Girona, and we have learned a lot of things about chemistry here.
Hello, my name is Anja. I'm a college student at the University of Bielefeld, and I study chemistry and biology, and we were here at the University of Girona, and it was very great. We learned a lot about fullerenes and catalysts, and it was a great experience, and I was very happy to be here. It was great. Thanks.
Go. Perfect. Okay. Very nice.
It's a pleasure for us and an honor for us to be here in Girona University, nearly for the 10th times, and I hope it will be a cooperation in the future in chemistry to motivate young people to do science. We need it.